With no chute, huh?
Yeah, it didn't come out.
How'd that feel?
Well, the problem is when you pull the chute and you expect the chute to open, you don't get on the brakes right away because the chute needs to blossom before you start stopping. So then by the time you realize it didn't open, you got to start braking. You're already a few hundred feet, shorter braking distance then, but it's okay. We got her stopped.
Made it back in one piece, right?
That's it. That's it.
So you want to give me a quick rundown on the car? If you have a minute here.
Yeah. It's a fast forward racing engines,
right?
Built motor, sleeve block. It's a custom twin turbo kit built by Jim Braun,
right?
And Lee tuned. It runs on E85 and we race with Ignite 114.
I made 17 something last night.
I made 1650
right
last night. On the ET Pro. So.
Right on.
Yeah.
And what's the best the car's been so far?
With the old setup, it was a single turbo setup.
Right,
Before this setup, the car's been 793 at 176.
Right.
And we have a few hundred more horsepower now to play with, so
cool.
hoping to not get a little faster.
Trying to get it to the ground, or how's that working out for you?
Well, I mean, this is literally the first passes on the car.
Right.
So I have 3 passes on it now in the roll racing, and the track's not taking much over 1200 on the hit right now, so we're trying to ramp it in and get a little bit down track. But that was about 1300 down track.
Anything like behind the scenes that, like a story or something somebody wouldn't know by looking at the car, anything like that you would want to tell people about it?
Oh man, there's so many stories about this car.
Has it been a while in the making to get to where it's at?
Yeah, I mean it really has. I've had the car for 4 years now.
Right.
We started with a single turbo kit, stock motor, and then progressively got faster. The car's real claim to fame is that we still use the 6R80, which is the transmission that came with the car, the factory automatic overdrive. It's fully built. I built that. Has billet internals that's all available through me, and we're just trying to see how fast we can make that transmission go.
Right. Cool, man. And you want to plug yourself? A little bit of a shameless plug. Anybody who helped maybe on board?
I mean, everyone that helped with the car is Joe from Fast Forward Racing Engines, Lee, the tuner, Jim Braun, fabricator,
right.
Daniel Outways, a friend of mine in Australia who's making the billet parts for the transmissions, and then all the rest of the work is just done by myself. So
right. You guys are MS Racing?
Yeah, I mean that's me. It's just a little. We don't have a shop. We build this car at my house, at my buddy Jim's house. We have day jobs and we just play with the cars after work.
Awesome. Yeah. Well, good work so far. That thing's beautiful under the hood, man. I have to tell you.
Thank you.
And good luck today.
All right, appreciate it.